How the different chiropractic adjustments helpful for your body. Chiropractic adjustments are a natural and drug-free approach to help patients. When the spine is aligned properly, the nervous system is working efficiently in the body. Through the adjustments, the back and neck pain can be reduced and gain more mobility. Thus, chiropractic adjustments can restore joint functions and range of motion. The following points define the different types of chiropractic adjustments for the body. Spinal compression. Moreover, spinal decompression is used for treating lower back pain that is a result of herniated, bulging, slipped discs. This utilizes a special table carefully for stretching the spine that can promote the flow of water, oxygen, other essential fluids. Diversified technique. In chiropractic adjustments, the diversified techniques are used for three purposes such as repair the joint dysfunction, restore the spinal alignment, proper mobility and movement. In this technique, hands-on thrusts are used with extreme precision to increase the patient's range of motion. Activator Technique. In the Activator Technique, small handheld devices are used to gentle impulse the vertebral segments of the spine. Through this technique, the tone of the nervous system are adjusted and used to treat headaches, lower back pain. Spinal manipulation. Spinal manipulation is also known as manual spinal mobilization therapy that is used to reduce inflammation, relieve pressure on joints, improve nerve function. For better results, it utilizes more gentle thrusting motions and more stretching. Flexion Distraction. Flexion Distraction technique utilizes a table to distract and flexes the spine in a gentle motion. This chiropractic adjustments is pain-free and comfortable as well as used to treat disc injuries, back pain, leg pain. Conclusion. According to your problems, the chiropractors are performing many chiropractic adjustments. So, consult with a reputed chiropractor for getting the best and effective adjustments. Thank you.